Firstly, power on the Bluetooth intercom by press the two buttons, intercom button and function button together. To connect Bluetooth, please long press the function button. It will prompt pairing. Okay, open the Bluetooth on your mobile. Search the Bluetooth name SCS S10. Connect. Device connected. Okay, now we long press this button to turn on the camera. The light will blink red. Then press the camera button. It will set photo and press the video function button. Okay, how to connect the application? Download the application by scan the barcode on the user manual. Then open the application, search device. Press the on-off button to Wi-Fi function. The light will turn blue. Search the Wi-Fi network. MCOM 0B50. Connect. Okay, now the intercom and the application is connected. Here's the video we take. Play the video. And the picture here.